Hey guys, today I wanted to make a video to show you how to install a window that's new construction. This is what this is. You can see I have my Tyvex house wrap on and I got my levels there. You really only need one level if you got a good one. Anyway, so let's show you how to install a window. So once you're sure that your opening size is big enough. So yeah, once you have your window set in the opening like this, what I like to do is shove it all one way. Make sure it's shoved all one way and take a pencil and make a mark. Then shove it back this way and make a mark. So you can see here I have about a ½ inch discrepancy. So then what I like to do is make a mark right in the middle, kind of to split the difference. I just shove my window over to that mark, and then that way I know it's centered without having to go inside and look around. So the next thing is grab your level once you know that you're spacing the opening correctly, and you check the bottom. Make sure that it's setting really good. If you like what you see, if your bottom's nice and level. I'm going to use a different level for the sides just because in my case one level works better for the sides, one level works better for the bottom, but you can use the same level. So then you also want to check the sides and you want to see how they compare. So say if it is off level, if this corner needs to go up, what you can do is tack a nail in this corner so it stays. Then you can just pick this corner up till it's level and then nail this corner. Then it won't go anywhere. Then you can just go ahead and nail all the way around. I just use like 1¼ roofing nails like this. My big helper that likes to play in the mud puddles while I'm putting in windows. So then what I do for extra protection on top of the window is I use a good grade of silicone like this. This is made for windows and doors, and I silicone all along the top of the window. So yeah, then you mainly just silicone where the nail flange meets the wall, like that, and then also silicone around the nail holes. I wanted to show you that. Doesn't have to be pretty, it's going to get covered up, but you don't want to have it too thick, just a nice layer. Then next I use this product called self-adhered flashing. I'll show you how to use it just to seal off the window. It does a really nice job sealing around the window. I'll include links in the video description below the video where you can find this. Then what I do is I take the roll, whatever width this is, and I make a mark out here where it's going to be, like hold it against the window, on both sides here. And then that's how long you're going to want your bottom piece, that much past the window. So then this stuff, you can kind of peel it as you go. This is the way that I apply this stuff. Some people may have a different opinion, but I'm just showing you how I do it. So now for your side pieces, it doesn't have to be perfect, like it's okay if there's a couple little wrinkles in it, but you want to just make sure that it's sealed really well. So with flashing this, you want to think about how the water runs. That's why we do the bottom first, then the sides and the top, so the top overlaps all those. So now your top one you want to make from the outside to the outside. So now you can see the final product when you're done. You got a nice window there that's all sealed all the way around the outside. Put the bottom on first, did the sides, then we ran the top all the way to the outside of the side ones. And it's sealed off nice and tight, right up close to the window. Now you're ready for your J-channel or whatever you're going to put on the outside there before you put your siding on. Alright, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. Grab it and set it into the opening. Then what I like to do is, oh, I don't have a pencil. Wyatt, can you bring Daddy a pencil? And once you got it tacked in a few spots with nails, just use roofing nails like this. Wyatt, keep quiet. Daddy's taking a video.